Hey everybody, this is Rob Harrell with MarineMax in Charleston. And today we're going over a very exciting new boat, the 2021 Sport Dorado. This is a brand new concept, dual purpose crossover boat. It is fit for the family, but also designed to get out and fish all day long if you want to. This boat is in black with a silver accent stripe, white rub well, stainless steel. If you come to the back, we have a telescopic ladder on a swim platform. This boat is equipped with a Yamaha 150 with a powder-coated match colored ski tow bar. We also have a full beam seating arrangement when the motor's trimmed back. Sorry, we don't have a battery in it right now, but this jump seat actually comes up. We have a live well over on this side, storage on the starboard side. You can also see we have rod holders in the aft of the boat, captain style seating, telescopic, and moves forward to back. This boat is equipped with a Garmin 9-inch navigation unit, digital Yamaha gauges. We also have a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, dual battery switch, rod holders port and starboard. We also have another access point for dual batteries as well, because this boat is also equipped with a trolling motor up front. We have a lockable glove box storage system to keep your items dry, cup holders. You come to the front, this seating is absolutely ridiculous. Let me tell you, it is so comfortable. I have personally taken this boat out already. This is the second one we've had in the dealership, and I had the privilege of going out on the first one. It's amazing. Another little added feature is on these, you have storage behind the cushions in the seats. We also have, if you flip this up, a very large storage system up front as well. Trolling motor is plug switches right here on this side, so it's very convenient to get to. Grab rails, recessible cleats, anchor storage system right here, so you can get to that as easy. Hey everybody, thanks again for watching this video on our new Sport Dorado. If you would like to schedule a time for us to come by and show this to you, you can reach us at 843-747-1889 or see us at MarineMax Charleston. Y'all have a great day.